Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of the Drive MX-5 channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install this simple plug and play dashcam power harness from MX-5 things on your ND Miata. Now you do have to have the auto dimming home link mirror in order to install this cable. If you have any other mirror, then it does not have the power cable required to install this one here. Now I opted for the cable that has the USB end right here because my dash cam has a USB cable. Well, not this exact one. I got this one from Amazon because it's a lot shorter, but the dash cam is powered by a USB cable, so it's going to be a perfect plug and play solution. So the first step to this process, first of all, disregard this wire here. This goes to my radar detector, which is just not plugged in at the moment. But the first step is going to be locating the power harness, which is this cable right here behind the home link mirror. It's actually the only cable that you have on here. There's a little tab up at the top that you just depress and the cable pulls right out of the back of the mirror. From there, simply take your MX-5 things harness, plug it into the factory wiring harness, and then plug the MX-5 harness into the home link mirror. Then go ahead and take your USB cable for your dash cam, plug it into the MX-5 USB port, and then take that cable and plug it right into your dash camera. And that is all there is to it. Let's go ahead and turn the ignition on in the car and ensure that it works. So you can see the cable right now is plugged in and we are charging. I got the little indicator right there. If we unplug it, you'll see that it goes away, and then plug it back in. And there we go. That's a job well done. Super simple, only took about a minute to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And I can't wait to see you in the next video.